Alright, welcome. So I am excited. Tonight is Game 7 NBA Finals, and I got my most expensive box to open up. NBA 2024-2025 Mega Box. I haven't opened up one of these yet. And honestly, of all the other boxes I've opened up, I haven't got anything that special. So I'm hoping this is the one.
Alright, let's open this up. Let's get at it. Alright, really hoping for something big here. Any on-card autograph. Any kind of LeBron. SGA. Something. Give me something. Alright, here we go. No wonder, but alright, so it looks like right there is the winner. Alright. Ooh, nice Bronny James. Who these ones? So you get 50 cards. I'll quickly Raptors. RJ Barrett, and what we got? The pink Johnny. Oh, two pinks. Johnny and Dylan, and a rookie. Oh, dominance on Victor. Oh man, that's awesome. So of course we're gonna wrap those up. Let's wrap them up right away. Dominance. All right, number 2. Brooke Lopez, Grant Williams, oh, a Steve Nash. That's cool. Steve Nash on the pink prism. Chris Paul. They're all going to get wrapped. They're all going to get wrapped and bindered eventually, but we'll leave the base ones out for now. Not Bronny. Bronny's going to get wrapped right away. Future of the league, Bronny James. That Victor is awesome. Yeah, 3 packs to go. All right, another emergence. Ooh, global reach. Rasheed Wallace, Ron Holland, Fox. Chet might steal the game tonight. He might be the Game 7 winner here. That dude gets so many blocks. Carmelo. Cam Spencer. All right, let's pause for a sec. All right, we rearranged a little bit. Put the top 4 out there. 2 packs to go. All right, Kyle Lowry, 2019 Raptor champ. Karl Malone. KCP. Who we got? Kevin Garnett. Ooh, and Allen Iverson. That's a cool one. There's our emergent. And our base. So let's get those ones wrapped. We're going to move Allen Iverson. Iverson's going in our top 5 with a break. And the last pack. We have not got any SGAs, no LeBrons. Haven't got that autograph card. Last chance for it. The Hunter. Zach Edey. And there's our 2. Emergence. And then base and base Jimmy Butler. Again, we did not get that breakthrough card. We'll look up the value on these ones. But again, we just didn't get that magic card. Just haven't got it yet. I don't know how many more boxes I can buy, but man, it's getting frustrating not pulling out anything spectacular. Let's do the rundown. Let's do the rundown. Let's see what the best card is, best value. Okay, so after pricing them out, we did all right. So this guy here coming out at 18. This guy also coming out 18 bucks. These next two at 15 each. Dylan Jones, 15 bucks. And then Kevin Garnett coming out at $10. Surprising to Steve Nash. It's only coming out at $2. You know, I thought that would be a good one. And Allen Iverson, same thing, like $2. But overall, we only paid 80 bucks for the box. So those 5 cards get some money back. And the rest of the beautiful stack here, it's all bonus.